I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. Oh, I've been working on the railroad, I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm gonna shuffle along, gonna sing a song, gonna shuffle along, gonna sing a song. Hey, Spencer! Hey, James. How are you doing? Doing good. Hey, is that a new shiny paint? Yes. Don't you remember last time? No, don't do the flashback. Anyway, if you notice coaches behind me, I was gonna go. There's some fancy peoples. The important peoples expected elegant delicacy. As you can see, I'm just gonna puff around on Sodor, give them a nice little tour, and they'll go back. They love it. Good for you. Alright, here I go! Climb on quickly, please. Is that your new express? Well, yes. I'll be leaving in about, 10 minutes. So I'm going to have to go fast. Gonna have to go to full throttle. Hey. Oh no. Oh. Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Please, someone stop me! Spencer, try using the brakes. I'm trying! They're broken! Oh dear. I think we have better problems. What is it? Cliff! A cliff! Oh dear! Oh no! I can't! I'm too useful to die. Please. I can't do this. I'm too useful to die. Oh dear. Oh dear. Don't worry, James. I'll call for help. Hey, James. Hey, Percy. What's going on? Take a look. Oh my gosh. Spencer's almost off the cliff. Down to the cliff to his death. Well, we gotta need a plan. I got a plan. All we need is some explosives. No, Percy, we're not blowing up the train. Dang it. We need other ideas from the engines. I got it. Since I'm an express engine, I say we pull Spencer back. That sounds like a good thing. Gordon, I know. Where'd you learn that? You'll see. Anyways, let's get tied up and coupled back to Spencer. Thomas, Percy, James, and Gordon, are you all tied up and coupled back? Yep. Yes, sirree. Sure thing. All right. Don't worry, Spencer. We'll get you back on the rails. I hope so. Ready? 5, more, pull! The good news is, Spencer, you're fixed. Now you're back on the rails. Oh, thank goodness. And the bad news is, some of your parts are broken. Oh, great. Now I need to go to the steamworks. How long is going to take for me to be rebuild? At least 7 months. 7 months? But my train delivery is going to be due. Who's going to do that for me? Maybe Gordon will help. Yes! So, Victor and Kevin are ready to get to work on Spencer. While Gordon, on the other hand, is going very well on his express, and many well on time as the journey continues.